Jai Hind everyone. Today we will learn how to multiply any two-digit number. Let's start. The first example, 23 into 31. So give a 3 dash here. Write ones, tens, ones, tens. Multiply tens with tens. 2 3s are 6. Multiply ones with ones. 3 1s are 3. The middle one, the middle gap, we will fill by multiplying tens with ones, ones with tens. So 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So we will fill 1 and carry 1 here. Now add it. We will have 3, 1, 7. So answer is 713. The answer is 713. Second example, 33 into 42. Write here ones, tens, ones, tens. Give 3 dashes. Multiply tens with tens. 3 4s are 12. Multiply ones with ones. 3 2s are 6. Now multiply tens with ones. 3 2s are 6 and multiply ones with tens. 3 4s are 12 equal to 18. So we will fill the middle gap by 8 and carry 1. Now add it. The answer is 1386. Example 3, 63 into 73 equal to, give 3 dash. Write here ones, tens, ones, tens. Multiply tens with tens. 6 7s are 42. Multiply ones with ones. 3 3s are 9. Now fill the middle gap. We will multiply 6 into 3, 18, and 3 into 7, 21, 39. So we will fill 9 here and 3 will be carry here. Now add it. We will have, so answer is 4599. Example number 4, 93 into 73. Give 3 dashes. Write ones, tens, ones, tens. Multiply tens with tens. 9 7s are 63. Multiply ones with ones. 3 3s are 9. To fill the second gap, we will multiply 9 with 3, that is tens with ones. 9 3s are 27 plus 3 7s are 21 equal to 48. Write 8 and carry 4 here. Now add it. Answer is 6789. Example 5, 35 into 53. Write ones, tens, ones, tens. Multiply tens with tens. 3 5s are 15. Multiply ones with ones. 5 3s are 15. Write 5, carry 1. Now, to fill the second gap, we'll multiply tens with ones. 3 3s are 9 plus ones with tens. 5 into 5, 25. Now add it. 34. Write 4 here and carry 3. Now add it. 1, 8, 5, 5 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.